Okay, so here's part 2 to Miss Johnson Has a Question. Again, go to your Tinker account, go to your dashboard. We're going to go to the My Projects tab. Again, yours won't match mine. Go to Create New Project, Blank Project, and let's begin. Alright, again, this is kind of like a, think of this as if you were being cast in a play by Mr. Palashewski, the Zimmerman Middle School, High School drama teacher. And this bank over here on the left, these are all the possible lines that your character can say or can do. It's like all the stuff possible. Everything here is all your possibilities of what you can do. This middle zone is the script that your character is responsible for. This is what they're going to read, what they're going to do. Okay? Let's begin here. The Miss Johnson one, you got to figure it out. The guy moved to the right, and you waited, you moved back, to the right, and back. You figured it out. Excellent. Proud of you. But next, we want to be a little more creative in part 2. We're going to have the character move to the left, and then back, and up the screen, and then back, to the right, and back, and down again. Okay, so it's going to go to the right, and then up, then left, and then back. Alright, there we go. But this character, I'm going to fire them and push the X button and say, yes, you are fired. Alright, I had to cast another character. So I got to, what would Palashewski do? He could go out, find somebody else, and replace the actor. I need to add an actor. I can build my own, add one, or draw one. For now, let's just go to add one. Add one. Okay, we got a bunch of categories. I have the default categories. These characters here, a bunch of characters. Got adventure categories. City life, a ton of them. Let's pick one. I'll pick this one here called Ocean. What's in the ocean? And I want to cast this guy, tourist. There you are. You're in my play. Right now, if I push play, what happens? Nothing. Why? Because they have no script. They stand there. Alright, so I'm going to move to the right, and then back, move up, and then back, move left, and then back, and move down, and back. Okay? I'm going to go a little bit bigger so you can see it more clearly in the video. This button over here, this turns on. Let's find out. Hey, what is that? Like a math class. It's a grid. This is our x-axis. This is our y-axis. And right now, my character is in the middle at the origin at the 0, 0. Turn it back off so you can see it. Okay? So I'm going to move and follow the x-axis and the y-axis. So here it goes. I need to have this on start one. It's kind of a default one. I mean, say when your play button is pressed, it's like saying action. Okay? So I want to have the same kind of did for part 1. I'm going to have a repeat, and I'm going to have a move and wait. So here's my wait command. I'm going to move according to my x and y axes. So let's look here once. I can change the x coordinate or change the y. I want to go both those. Now if I want to go to the right and to the left, I'll need 2 of these. If I'm going to go upwards and downwards, I'll need 2 of these. Okay? So here it goes. Again, I'm going to go bigger on the repeats, maybe 25 or 27. Weights, I'm going to go a little faster, so it goes quicker, maybe 0.25. And I'm going to change, I'm going to first go to the right. The right is going to be the x coordinate. Change x by 10. Okay, if I push play, what happens? He's moving, isn't he? Push stop. Push play. He's moving. It's working. Okay. So I need some more repeats. But if I want to go to the right and back, I need to go to the right and then back. Well, can I pick this code? I'll click on it. So it all turns white. It's all picked. If I pick this individual block, just these 2 turn white. I'm going to pick this whole repeat option. Make it all turn white. I'm going to right click this and pick copy. Okay, hold on, I'm going to try it again. If I click it and go off of it and right click, what happens? Copy is grayed out. Why? Because nothing's picked. I gotta click it, hover over it, right click, copy. I can now right click and paste and plug this in. If I'm going a positive direction, how do I go backwards? Positive is to the right. If I'm going to the left, I have to go in a negative direction. So now watch once. I'm going even faster. This 0.25 is kind of slow. Let's go 0.025. And let's come back at it 0.025. And I'll play it once. See, moves over, moves back. Okay. Now if I'm going to go upward, what do we do there? The same distance, the same speed, but I'm going to go in the Y direction. So you build the rest of the code. You build the code so it'll move to the right and then back, up and then back, left and then back, and down and back. Here's an example of how to go to the right and back. Use the exact same number of repeats and exact same wait time for the ups, the lefts, and the downs. Alright, there's part 2. When it's done, save this and I'll grade it on Friday. Good luck.